You must answer a trivia question before the sand in the timer falls to the bottom. The sand falls at a rate of 150 cubic millimeters per second. How much time do you have to answer the question? The key to this problem is the rate. The rate is in cubic millimeters per second. So what we need to do is find how many cubic millimeters of sand is in the timer. To do this, we'll find the volume of the sand in the timer. Remember, the formula for the volume of a cone is the volume V is equal to 1/3 times the area of the base B times the height H. So let's substitute in the values that were given. So we have 1/3 times the area of the base. The area of the base of the cone of sand is pi times the radius squared, since the base is a circle. So our radius is 15 millimeters. So we have the area of the base is pi times 15 squared. Then we'll multiply by the height. The height is 36 millimeters. Now we're ready to simplify. First, notice that 36 times 1/3 can be multiplied easily because 36 is divisible by 3. So 36 divided by 3 is 12. Then we multiply 12 by 15 squared. 15 squared is 225 times 12 is 2,700. And then we multiply by pi. 2,700 times pi is approximately 8,478 cubic millimeters. So the volume of the sand in the timer is about 8,478 cubic millimeters. Now remember, the question is how much time do you have to answer the question? So this is where our rate comes in. We have 8,478 cubic millimeters, and we multiply this by the rate. Make sure that we have the cubic millimeters in the denominator. So we have 150 cubic millimeters per second. Notice that we can divide out the cubic millimeters and we are left with seconds. So now we multiply 8,478 by 1 and divide by 150. So that gives us 56 and 5,200 seconds. So we can say that you have 56 and 5,200 seconds to answer the question.